What is culantro? Stay tuned to this video and I'll tell you all about it. Aloha everyone, Sean Jennings with Homestead in Hawaii. Today we're talking about this plant right here, culantro. What is it? What is culantro? Well, when I first moved here, I was really into cilantro, and I tried to grow cilantro in my garden here in Hawaii, and guess what, guys? It didn't grow very well. But then I heard about this amazing plant, culantro. It is a plant that is native to Latin American tropics, and it is pretty much naturalized throughout the Caribbean and Asia and wherever you have tropical climate, and it grows great out here in Hawaii. You can even grow it in colder climates as an annual. But culantro, pretty similar to cilantro. These leaves right here, they smell just like cilantro, and it's great to use in cooking. It's amazing how similar it is to cilantro. It's really cool to be blessed with a plant that can mimic cilantro in so many ways. It's just a great flavor enhancer, and it's packed with so many good vitamins and minerals inside it. This plant loves to grow in the shady forest edges, and it makes it a great ground cover plant in a permaculture food forest. Especially here in Hawaii, it's nice to have some good shady plants that love to grow and can produce food for you as well. You can see these are some old seed heads right here. The seed heads are POW. They have done their thing. These ones are just about forming, and you could prolong the leaf production on your plant if you pick these seed heads. But once they come out, it's good to let them go to seed every now and then so that they can spread. I don't plant this plant by hand. I just let it reseed itself. But in interim time, when you are getting the plant established, it's good to go ahead and wait till it gets a little bit before this point. But I can still see, let's see, can you see this on my finger? The flower head is filled with seeds. So this is an easy way for you to be able to harvest more and to be able to propagate it out. It grows just like lettuce. So you want to have conditions similar to lettuce. And here in the tropics, it would be a shady, partial sun environment that has moist, rich soil. So preparing your soil with a good fertilizer, compost, manure, and then planting these in will allow you to get a good crop started. But here where I have my culantro, it just kind of volunteered. I don't even know how it got here. And I'll tell you, I haven't prepped or prepared this soil at all. It's just cinder and rock beneath it. I even have an avocado tree growing directly over it, and there's weeds everywhere, so it can find its spot even without much care. I just wanted to give you a brief summary of this amazing plant to grow in your garden. If you're a cilantro fan like me, you have hope. In the tropics, you can grow that nice cilantro flavor to add to your cooking, whatever it might be. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button below. Comment, let me know if you've ever heard of this plant before. And subscribe to this YouTube channel. Every subscriber helps. If you're new here, just hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna be always sharing new videos every week about something cool about homestead and off-grid in Hawaii or in the tropics at large. And if you haven't had a chance, be sure to check out one of these videos right here. I'm sure you're gonna love it. All right, thanks for watching everyone. Aloha.